Hi, I hope everybody's having a good week. I know it's been a little while since you guys have gotten a trick word video and Fundations video from me. So I'm just going to send you a new one today. Excuse me. So first I'm actually going to talk about the tests that we're going to be doing this next week. Some of them are just tests that just see where the kids are at, does not count as a grade. Prior to today, we've tested them on 3 different things. Now we're doing 7 different tests. So those tests are going to take a little bit longer. I'm not going to go over those tests with you now. You can see them if you like when we're doing the Zoom, because it's just really to see where they're at on certain things, and it's stuff we don't expect them to be proficient at right now. The other thing we're testing them on is on their Fundations, and it is for a grade. I know there's some kids that are doing super good on their Fundations right now, and I know there's some kids that are really struggling on it right now. So real quick, I'll tell you what's going to be covered on the test, just in case you want to practice with your kids a little bit. Let me look at it real quick, just make sure I got it right here. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hold up a card like this, and I'm going to ask the kids to tell me what the letter is called, and then what the key word and sound is. What I mean by that is just basically tell me the information that we get off of these cards. So they have to be able to tell me that this is the letter. The key word is whatever the picture is, but they also have to be able to tell me what the sound is. So like this would be H hat, but if I say what's the sound, they have to be able to tell me that is the sound, because sometimes the kids think that hat is the sound, but we need them to know that is the sound that it makes. So that's one of the things we're going to be doing is with these. Another thing we're going to be doing is they'll need this sheet, so make sure they have this sheet available to them. And I'm going to give them a sound, and they have to tell me what letter makes that sound. So they'll have to be able to point to what letter makes that sound. So we'll be doing that. And if we have time during this period, I'll ask them to write a letter. So I'll tell them T, show me how to write a T. If we don't have time to do it during this 45 minutes, we'll do that in class sometime. We might run out of time. Okay. So now I'm just going to cover some of the trick words and some of the Fundation sounds. From now on, I'm not going to give you all of them during this video because that's just a lot to put on one video. Let me get echo for the Fundation sounds. So every time I do it with them, I always make sure I do all the vowels with them, and then I'll usually pick out about 5 or 6 other letters. O, octopus, a. E, ed, eh. I, ich, eh. U, up, a. A, apple, eh. J, jug, j. D, dog, d. P, pan, p. S, snake, s. B, bat, b. Okay, so like I said, I only went over some of them. If you feel like your kids need to do more, or if there's certain ones you want them to focus on, everybody did get this in their Fundations pack, and you can use this to go over that with your students too. All right, and I'll just do some trick words. Not going to do all of them, but I'll send you guys a template with all of the cards on it soon, and you guys can use that too as well. Okay, so we have 3 new words. B-U-T, but. C-O-M-E, come. A-R-E, R. Okay. I'll just hold the cards up for a few seconds, give the kids a chance to say it before I say it. Me. He. 2. am, if, in, it, run, see, no, go, so, can, I, look, find. Okay, like I said, I did include all the words. There's plenty of more words out there, and I'll send you a template with all of them. What I did on Friday with the pie face game, I do plan on doing that again with them. It won't be in the next couple of weeks just because our schedule is kind of goofy with the testing. But I do plan on doing that again, but I'm not going to be easy on them either, because I mostly just did the two-letter trick words. So by now, they should try to be familiar with all these words. So it's kind of up to them. If they want to get me nice and messy and full of pie stuff, you need to study the words a little bit more. I know some of the kids know them super good. A few of the kids, I'm not quite sure they've looked at them too much, to be honest with you, but they really do need to know them for first grade. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. Everybody have a great rest of your week.